Okay guys, in this video we are going to play The Watcher. The game features mild gore, loud sound effects and everything that comes out with the horror genre where discretion is advised. So this is a horror game, The Watcher. Let's just start the game. Author, Emine developer. Amine developer or Emine developer. So here just getting up from the bed and it's almost 16:20 and I think it's of evening 16:20 and okay, I want to go to the bathroom, so it's at night, so we need to go to the toilet. Let's just go to the toilet and so it's very big room and we need to go to toilet and there is a clock here open. There is a huge bathroom here. Of course there is sink and let's just pee or going to do something a little better than pee in here. We need to do, we need to do, we need to do. We need to do, we need to do, we need to do. Okay, we have done. Let's take a quiet while. Go to kitchen and carry food. It take much time to pee in this game. Why? Or he's just doing his bowel movement here. We need to go to the kitchen and take food items from the kitchen and we can't interact. I think we need to open fridge. There is a pizza slice. Okay, put it in the microwave. So we need to just put it in the microwave and it's heating, it's heating, it's heating, it's heating, it's heating, it's taking a quite while. Okay, it's heated. Go to the table now. Why I go to the table now? Why are you ordering me to go to the table? I know you are hungry and I'm going to feed you the pizza slice you just heated. But oh, you already done. Go to the bathroom and pick up the clothes basket. Okay, we need to go to the bathroom and pick up the clothes basket. Okay, and why the toilet paper is on the ground? Pick up the basket. Get out of the house. We need to go outside the house. Let's just put the clothes outside the house in the laundry and we need to exit the house. And I already say that this is a pretty big house to compare mine. Go to the laundry room, wash the clothes. Go to the laundry room and wash the clothes. And I think we live in apartments. There are many apartments here, almost 10 to 12 apartments, and we need to go to the laundry room. And there is only one laundry room, and there is some washing machines. Just put our clothes in there and wash our clothes. Washy, 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 washy. It's taking too much time to wash our clothes. And okay, it's done. Go home. So we already wash our clothes and we need to go to home. Okay, let's go to our home. What happened? Why you become so slow? Let's just go to your home and sleep tight. Just go and sleep in your home. Go to the bathroom and put the clothes there. Okay, I will put the clothes inside the basket. Just put and go to the bed and sleep. Go to bed to sleep. Okay, but I sleep on the ground. Okay, the sleep. I have already opened all the doors. 2 hours later, and what happened after 2 hours? It's time to go to work. Huh? To go to work after just 2 hours. It's already morning. Get out of the house. We need to get out of the house and go to the work. I don't understand. After 2 hours, it's already morning. Open the house and exit the building. Okay, exit. Please exit me. Hello, exit. Okay, we have a exit after several hours. After coming from our office, from work, finally I came home and I will relax this time and sleep very tight. Why you taking so long in the transition? Okay, we need to go to sleep and there is nothing here. No, it's your turn. Enter. What? It's your turn. Enter. I'm tired. I have to take a shower. Who the hell right there? It's your turn. I don't know. Okay. You need to take a shower. Just take a shower and relax. And why it's takes so long in the transition, or you are taking real time calculation for the in-game work? Go to the bed. You need to go to the bed and sleep. Just sleep. Get out of the house. Why I get out of the house? Lock your room. Call 911. What is your emergency? I'm in my house and I'm feeling very scared. And we can't interact with exit building. Why are you not exiting this house? When someone write on your door that it's your turn to get killed by someone, and there is the door open. Look, the door is open. What happened here? And there is some type of black magic. Go home and call police. And is there a skull of a human? Okay, go home and call police. And we can't interact with any other gates. We need to go to home and call the police so that the police come and we can escape. Okay, the killer has come. Okay, we need to run as fast as possible. Exit the building. Run. We need to exit the building, otherwise he will kill us and use us on the black magic. We exit the whole house. And what happened after that? The black screen. Nothing. Okay. After she escaped, she called the police, and the criminal was arrested. Okay. And the end. Very short horror game. If you like the game, comment me. Then I will give you a candy, man.